Today lecture: Gender Studies for CSS. How to stay close to 80 marks. My strategy. It is a new subject for CSS, so it is quite easy to prepare past papers. I did the same. Prepared all the 9 parts of its syllabus. Tried to prepare all the contemporary debates on gender like transgenders bill or at March, etc. Sources I consulted. Unfortunately, no good book is available for it right now. Notes by Officers Academy. Gender Studies book by Sujot Sen. All the local and international reports on gender in detail. Online data and newspaper for recent debates on gender. Further suggestions. Don't try to find a single book for it. It won't work. Don't try to prepare all theories of violence. Prepare Islamic perspective on gender equality. It's not part of syllabus. Online data is very useful for it, so utilize accordingly. Postscript. Gender studies is a secular subject. Please avoid giving religious views if not asked. Neither try to be radical feminist just to impress examiners. Best wishes. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more CSS Achievers Learn and Lead. For CSS and PMS guidance, join our family.